Arthritis on the rise. Can food really help? Did you know that a staggering 1 in 4 adults in the US are living with arthritis? That's a significant portion of the population, and the numbers are only increasing. That's over 58 million people dealing with joint pain and stiffness every single day. These individuals face daily challenges that can severely impact their quality of life. It's a silent epidemic, and it's only getting worse. The burden on healthcare systems is immense, and the personal toll is even greater. But what if I told you that something as simple as changing your diet could make a huge difference in managing your symptoms? Imagine reducing pain and improving your mobility just by making smarter food choices. We're talking about fighting inflammation at its source naturally and effectively. Foods like turmeric and ginger have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. You see, certain foods have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain, improve mobility, and even slow down the progression of arthritis. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 foods that can be your allies in the fight against arthritis. These foods are not only nutritious, but also delicious and easy to find. We'll break down the science behind their benefits and give you practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. From breakfast to dinner, we've got you covered. And trust me, there's one common culprit you definitely need to avoid. We'll reveal that later in the video, so stay tuned. You won't want to miss this crucial information that could transform your health. Fatty fish, your joint's best friend. Let's start with a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation: fatty fish. We're talking about salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining overall health. Now, these aren't just fancy terms. They play a significant role in your body's well-being. These omega-3s are like the body's natural firefighters, rushing to the scene of inflammation and calming things down. They help manage and reduce inflammation effectively. Think of it this way: inflammation is like a fire in your joints. It causes pain and discomfort. Omega-3s help put out that fire, reducing pain, stiffness, and swelling. But that's not all. They also improve flexibility and mobility. Omega-3s also help protect your cartilage, the cushion between your bones. This protection is vital for maintaining joint health. Less cartilage breakdown means less pain and better joint function in the long run. This translates to a more active and pain-free lifestyle. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Incorporating these into your diet can make a significant difference. Grilled, baked, or even canned. Find what you enjoy and make it a regular part of your diet. Your joints will thank you for it. Garlic, the tiny warrior. Next up is a kitchen staple with surprising benefits: garlic. This pungent little bulb has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and for good reason. Garlic contains a compound called diallyl disulfide, a potent anti-inflammatory agent. This compound works by blocking the production of certain enzymes that contribute to inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that garlic can help reduce joint pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. It can also help slow down the progression of the disease by protecting cartilage. Add garlic to your stir-fries, soups, or sauces. You can even roast a whole head of garlic for a delicious and healthy treat. Ginger, soothing your joints from the inside out. Another powerful anti-inflammatory is ginger. This root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including arthritis. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. Studies have shown that ginger can be as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers in reducing pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. It can also help improve joint mobility and function. Add fresh ginger to your smoothies, stir-fries, or teas. You can also try ginger chews or capsules for a more concentrated dose. Chapter 4. Broccoli, more than just a side dish. Don't underestimate the power of your greens, especially broccoli. This humble vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with nutrients that can help fight inflammation and protect your joints. It's not just a side dish, it's a health booster. Broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to block the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. This makes it a great addition to any anti-inflammatory diet. It also contains vitamin K, which is important for bone health. Vitamin K helps in the formation of bone proteins and prevents bone loss. Studies have shown that people who eat a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli have a lower risk of developing osteoarthritis. This is a significant benefit for long-term joint health. They also tend to have less severe symptoms if they do develop the condition. Including broccoli in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your overall health. Enjoy broccoli steamed, roasted, or even raw with a healthy dip. Each method of preparation offers a unique taste and texture. Add it to your salads, stir-fries, or soups for an extra nutritional boost. Broccoli's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into any meal. Chapter 5: Walnuts, Small Nut, Big Impact. Time for a crunchy and satisfying way to fight inflammation: walnuts. These nuts are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can benefit your joints. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which we already know are inflammation-fighting superstars. They also contain a type of polyphenol called ellagic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect cartilage. Add walnuts to your trail mix, yogurt, or salads. You can also enjoy them on their own as a healthy snack. Chapter 6: Berries, Nature's Candy with a Healthy Twist. Who doesn't love berries? They're delicious, versatile, and packed with antioxidants, including a group called anthocyanins. These antioxidants give berries their vibrant colors and also have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Anthocyanins work by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. Studies have shown that eating berries regularly can help reduce inflammation, protect cartilage, and ease joint pain. Enjoy a variety of berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Add them to your breakfast, smoothies, or desserts for a healthy and delicious treat. Chapter 7: Spinach, another leafy green powerhouse, deserves a spot on your plate. It's not just for salads, get creative with it. Spinach is a great source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to inflammation. Spinach also contains a plant compound called camphorol, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect cartilage from damage. Add spinach to your smoothies, soups, omelets, or stir-fries. You can even enjoy it sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a simple and delicious side dish. Chapter 8: Grapes, Tiny Packages of Joint Protection. Don't underestimate the power of these little gems. Grapes, especially the red variety, are packed with a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol. Resveratrol is found in the skin of grapes and has been shown to have significant anti-inflammatory effects. It works by blocking the production of certain enzymes that contribute to inflammation. Studies have shown that resveratrol can help reduce joint pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. It may also help slow down the progression of the disease by protecting cartilage. Enjoy grapes as a snack, add them to your salads, or freeze them for a refreshing treat. And remember, red grapes pack the most resveratrol. Chapter 9: Olive oil, liquid gold for your joints. We can't talk about anti-inflammatory foods without mentioning olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet. This heart-healthy oil is also great for your joints. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. It also contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has similar anti-inflammatory effects as ibuprofen. Studies have shown that people who consume a diet rich in olive oil have a lower risk of developing osteoarthritis. Olive oil may also help reduce pain and stiffness in people who already have the condition. Use olive oil as your primary cooking oil. Drizzle it over salads, vegetables, or use it to make homemade salad dressings. Chapter 10: Tart cherry juice, a surprising ally. Last but not least, let's talk about a delicious and surprising addition to your anti-inflammatory arsenal: tart cherry juice. This juice is packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which we know are potent inflammation fighters. Studies have shown that drinking tart cherry juice can help reduce pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. It may also help improve sleep quality and reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Look for tart cherry juice that is unsweetened and made from concentrate. You can drink it straight or add it to smoothies or yogurt. Outro, take control of your joint health. So there you have it, 10 powerful foods that can help you fight inflammation and find relief from arthritis symptoms. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is a natural and effective way to manage your condition and improve your overall health. And don't forget about that one food you should avoid: processed foods. These foods are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives that can actually worsen inflammation in the body. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods for arthritis relief? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on healthy eating for joint health, be sure to check out my next video.